So far, we've seen how to create classes and instantiate objects. It's time for a new topic that we actually have touched upon already: variables. Without variables, our code will do the exact same thing every time we would be running it, over and over again. Even though that could still be somewhat useful, for example when we're automating manual tasks, it's typically not what we want. Luckily, we can work with variables, so we don't need to get the same result when we run the same program twice. They make our program vary, so to say. This might not be the most helpful explanation, but let's look at variables in mathematics first. Now, if mathematics is not your thing, don't be scared. You can get quite far without probably 95% of high school math. But you will definitely have to be able to understand things like this. 2x equals time. What is the value of x here? Right, it's 5, because we divide both sides by 2 to get the answer. And 10 divided by 2 is 5. So, what would be the outcome if we would have set the variable to 7? If x equals 7, then what does 2x equal? It would have been 14, because 2 times 7 equals 14. Let's look at another example. Say we have a variable containing a word, and this variable is called name, and we use it as a display message like this: hi plus name. When name contains Scott, the message will be hi Scott. When the name contains Fatih, the output message will be hi Fatih. So, what will be the output when we run this program? Hi plus name. We don't know exactly. It depends on the value of the variables. Alright, so now we know that variables are building blocks that make our code dynamic. Let's have a look at how this is done in Java.